Andrew Colton, retained by more than 200 law firms across North America for cases around the world. I'm the premier producer of Day in the Life, Life After Loss, legal settlement documentary, and sentence mitigation videos. My productions have helped attorneys like you settle cases and win judgments valued at more than $1 billion. I'm not a court reporter with a camera, but an award-winning former national network news correspondent. I log more than 200,000 miles a year helping attorneys. My productions are powerful, from beautifully shot day-in-the-life videos to my persuasive and federally trademarked Life After Loss settlement documentaries.
She didn't take that.
I make the case there is no other side of the story. It often leads to record results. Watch this sample. Between January 6, 2022 and July 27, 2024, Boar's Head received 309 violations relating to sanitation. Here's another. It turns out Sean Ivey has a history of driving and recording music videos all at the same time. Here are some he posted online.
What the hell'd you do? I plead the fifth. I did some shit when I was drunk last night.
I do not outsource. There is no crew to embarrass your client. I personally shoot, edit, and produce every part of your production. There's never a charge for reasonable domestic travel, and I routinely accept domestic cases that require travel overseas. Let's confidentially discuss how I can help you help your client. No outsourcing, no travel fees. Telephone 877-484-4611 or visit coltonlegalmedia.com.